This is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups associated with the site Besplatka.xyz. These pop-ups are multiple and they are really filthy, and they may display a lot of filthy stuff. You need to be extremely careful not to click on the allow button as these pop-ups may suggest. As I said, they may display pretty filthy images, so you need to disregard all these pop-ups and not to click on that allow button. Of course, some of these pop-ups may use pretty filthy language, swearing words. I'm not going to mention these words because this is a sin. But you can block these ads by accessing the menu. Go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications. So remove these junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.